Sow a thought and you reap an action. Sow an action and you reap a habit. Sow a habit and you reap a character. Sow a character and you reap a destiny. That's a quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Deeper meaning explained. The meaning of sow a thought, reap an action extends beyond a simple cause and effect relationship. It's about the cumulative effect of our thoughts over time. Just as a farmer carefully prepares the soil and plants seeds, we must cultivate our minds with the positive and constructive thoughts. These thoughts, like seeds, will eventually sprout and blossom into actions. Conversely, if we allow negative, destructive, and limiting thoughts to take root, they will inevitably manifest as harmful actions and undesirable outcomes. The reap part of the quote emphasizes that we are responsible for the harvest we gather. We cannot expect to sow seeds of negativity and reap a harvest of positivity. The quality of our thoughts directly determines the quality of our actions and ultimately the quality of our lives. This isn't about blaming ourselves for past mistakes. It's about recognizing our power to choose our thoughts in the present moment and to create a more positive future. The sow a thought, reap an action principle also highlights the importance of self-awareness. We must become conscious of our thought patterns, identifying those that are serving us and those that are holding us back. This requires honest self-reflection and a willingness to challenge our own beliefs and assumptions. It's a continuous process of growth and refinement, requiring patience, persistence, and a commitment to personal development.